Hey everyone, it's Becca May with Ruzl, and today the product that I want to talk to you about is the Matte Texture Powder. The Matte Texture Powder is a weightless texturizing powder that adds volume and thickness to the hair while leaving it with a matte finish. The Matte Texture Powder works great on all hair types, and the non-sticky formula allows you to add product to the hair throughout the day if you're looking to increase the volume. This product is perfect for those who want instant lift without weighing the hair down. Matte Texture Powder works best on thoroughly dried hair. To use, sprinkle the product into the hair by inverting the bottle and lightly tapping the side until you see the powder coming out. If you're looking to add volume, focus the product at the roots of the hair. To finish, push the hair into your desired shape. Or maybe grab another one of your favorite Ruzl products and add on top.